Stick around to the end for proof that the third time is a charm. Let's start with some red light violations. Whoa, what did I just hit? Someone should plan their exits a little more carefully. This happens here every week. Queue up before it's too late, people. I don't think there's enough room for what you're trying to do. Bullnose violation. Note the nearly empty parking lot. So why are you unloading in the street? Time to thread the needle. The grass is greener on the other side until it isn't. Watch the white BMW fail the dual turn. Look out, coming through. Look out, coming through. What part of right lane must turn right confuses you?
Whoa, Nelly!
And finally, watch the car behind me.